In this modernized infrastructure, everything is in the form of codes. Infrastructure as a code, configuration as a code, and deployment as a code, everything. And we have individual tools to fetch the code and build it, push a copy of an artifact to the artifact repository, pull and push it to the deployment mechanism. It can be a bare metal EC2 instance or a VMware hypervisor or a Kubernetes cluster or anything else. Git plays a key role in all these transactions. The beauty of Git is version control. It helps the user or a developer to keep the history of changes. Git is a distributed system. Rather a centralized version controller, you can create your own repository in a GitHub website. You can take a pull request. You can do whatever the modifications that you required. Then you can push it back to your branch or the centralized repository. Also, you can create your own branch and you can perform your testing, you can do the development, and you can do all the transactions that makes the code perfect. Then you can push it back to your branch. Also, you can merge it into the master branch. Assume that you are part of a software delivery lifecycle where a portion of part is being developed by you and your colleagues also being developed their own respective microservices. In that case, everyone can create their own branch from the main branch, then they will do their development, then they will perform their testing, then they will merge it into the master branch. Git is also an open source solution. It is a SaaS solution so that you don't need to pay for that, provided we have enterprise solutions as well. Provided GitLab is completely open source and GitHub, yes, we have enterprise plan and we can take the licenses accordingly. So in the GitHub itself, the document says, where do I start? If you have a Gmail account or if you have a Microsoft account or even you can directly log into GitHub. So the login process is straightforward. It's just github.com and you would be getting the login page where you can sign up and you can create your user. We will explore all those things in the upcoming series. So this is the introductory part of GitHub and we will explore more each and every components in our series. Thank you for watching.